What if you could turn your daily data into passive crypto rewards without burning your battery's life? Most mobile mining apps out there drain your hardware and destroy your battery's life and give you absolutely nothing in return. But today we are looking at something completely different. The Zetrixon network. It is a brand new data finance infrastructure built to give you control and profits over your own data. In this quick 5-minute video, I'm going to show you how exactly it works, how to mine their dual tokens, and how you can get started right now using my referral link in the description below. Let's get started. So what is Zetrixon network? Developed by Sinbad Network LLC, this app introduces a concept called DataFi, aka data finance. In the traditional tech world, companies steal your data and sell it for billions. Zetrixon flips the script by returning your data. Ownership. Now one question lingers. Will this damage my phone? The answer is no. The app explicitly states that it does not perform hardware cryptocurrency mining on your phone. Instead, it is a cloud-based session where you log in, start a session, and secure your data rewards safely in the system. Once you log in, the interface is incredibly clean. You operate on a dual token system. Every day you simply open the app and start mining. Right from the dashboard, you can monitor your sessions, mining time and real-time rewards. There is also an inbuilt wallet that you can check your balances, track transactions, histories, and watch live token updates. They even have an active leaderboard so that you can see your mining position. Getting started takes less than 2 minutes, but you want to make sure you set it up correctly to claim your bonus. Step 1. Click the official Google Play link down in my description or pinned comment. It has my exclusive referral code Aleño23 already built right into it. Download the app and register your account. Start your own very fast mining session with one tap. Security-wise, the developers ensures that your data is fully encrypted in transit and they do not share your private data with third parties, giving you total peace of mind while you earn. The Zetrixon network project is scaling fast, and with an inbuilt user-having mechanism, rewards will get smaller as more people join. The best time to start mining is right now while it's early. Click the link right below this video to download the app. Use my code Aleño23 during registration to secure your network access and start building your future assets today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more early stage crypto reviews, and drop a comment below if you have any question. See you in the next video.